guys, it's Jack. Do you want to learn how to 3D print? It's easy. I'm going to show you how anyone can get started at 3D printing. You can go from a complete beginner to making a finished product in just a few minutes. First, go to tinkercad.com. You're going to have to create an account, but I'm just going to log in and use my account. Go to Create, then click on 3D Design. It opens up a new window. Here's the workspace you're going to work on. I'm going to make more videos and go through what all these buttons do on the side and top. But I just wanted to do a quick video to show you that anyone can get started and do this quickly. Now, we're going to make a little box. You can put whatever you want in it. You can put some loose change in there, or you can put a few sticks of RAM. So grab a box and bring it over onto your workspace. It defaults to 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. Let's make it a 2-inch box. So if you click in here and then you do 2, and then click here and type 2. So now you have a 2-inch wide, 2-inch deep, and 2-inch tall box. To move around, push the Control key and left click, and you can start rotating that box around. Control Shift and you can lift the surface and move the surface left and right. Now we have a box, but it's a solid box. We're going to quickly make this into an open box. Drag this piece over. This is your empty space. We're going to make all the sides on the box 1/4 inch. So since this is a 2 by 2 by 2, let's make it 1.5 by 1.5. And we could also make the empty box taller. It doesn't matter if it pokes out the top. Let's lift it up 1/4 inch off the workspace. Use this little upside down cone. Click on it and drag. You can either hit the L key or push this for a line. It lets you align multiple pieces together. If you click the inner circle, it'll align to the middle. So now you have 1/4 inch walls all around and it's 1/4 inch off the surface. These are still 2 separate pieces. To make it an open box, we have to group these 2 pieces together. You can either do Control G or you can press this button to group. Now you have yourself a little box to put whatever you'd like inside it. If you want to be really fancy, you could put your name on the front. You can grab the text and snap it on there. Let's drag it and make it smaller. And now we can use the Align tool and push L. You can come here and say Jack or whatever your name is. Isn't that exciting? The next video will do something even better. Maybe we'll make a box better than this. I know, right? Can you imagine a box better than this? You can also do fun things like make this lettering transparent or make it a hole. If you push it back into the box, now you can combine it. That's pretty neat. It'll make a box with my name punched through it. So now you've made your box. You're almost ready to print, but not yet. A 3D printer won't know what to do with this file. You'll have to export it as an STL first. Now I have to bring it into the slicing software. Everyone has different 3D printers and you can use different slicers, but the idea is the same. I'm using the bamboo slicer. Different printers have different sized plates. Make sure you don't design something that's bigger than your plate. The slicer is important because it tells the printer what to do for each layer of the print. If you're not doing anything crazy like changing colors, and if you're not worried about the quality level, and you're not worried about the infill strengths of the build, you can just print. I would recommend clicking supports and enabling them if necessary. But besides that, you can just go to Slice Plate. The software will tell you how long it's going to take to print. And then you can go to Print Plate. If your printer is set up correctly, click on Send and it'll begin printing. There you go. This turned out pretty good. Wasn't this easy? I know this was very basic, but I just wanted to show you that anyone can get started 3D printing pretty quickly. Stay tuned for the next video where we talk about how to make a top for the box and also talk about some of the different functions in Tinkercad. See you guys in the next J&J Computer Repair.